You like them? You think they're pretty? She's so like, whoa, right now. Yeah?
Oh, you're on the YouTube. Yeah.
Yay! Oh no, it's going to sun.
Yeah. Oh.
Yep. What happened? When?
Yeah. When? Are you filming?
Are you filming?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of Lily time. We have family and friends who have been asking about her and just want to see her more in the videos. I want to include her, for a few seconds in every video. Keep you guys updated with her. She's growing really quick. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. She's a good baby though. She's a good baby. So today we got some S2000 lights right here. As you can see, this one could use a little bit of re-clearing. We're getting that yellow haze all over the lens. This one, on the other hand, is close to being brand new. I'm gonna end up re-clearing both of them anyways, but first let me show you guys. Right here we got a set of clear reflectors, which will pretty much replace the amber ones for the clear ones. So I do have to open these up. I will be putting them in the oven. Not sure at what temperature and for how long, so I got to do my research on that. But I'm going to be opening these up, replacing the amber with the clear, and then resealing them with. So this right here is the actual glue that is used for your headlights. Not some crappy silicone that you can try to seal them up or something, but yeah, you don't want to get any water in there in case it rains or when you wash your car. So let's do this. Alright guys, so I'm just wiping down the headlight really quick. That way there's no dirt and dust and wax and grease and whatever these headlights pick up. Just cleaning up the headlight really quick, making sure it's nice and clean for when it goes inside the oven. We'll be setting this to 200. All right guys, like I said, this is the stuff that I will be using as glue or sealant. It's perfect for the headlights. Actually, it's made for the headlights. So just the same stuff that's on here. They're gonna be sealed and probably never opened again. I'm not opening these things again. These things are damn hard to get open. But yeah, getting ready to seal them. The next day, I got the headlights all sanded down. Seal is on as well. The seal, I don't think it'll ever come out the same as factory, but these things are sealed pretty good, so there's no leaking in there. I did sand the headlights with 600, 1000, and 1500. So that's where they're at right now. And now it's time to clear coat them and make them look like new again. So to clean out these headlights, I'm gonna be using this alcohol. Pretty simple, just put it on a clean microfiber rag and start wiping away, making sure that all the fingerprints and grease and dirt is removed. I'm still going to go over it with a tack rag right after this, but this just ensures that it's extra clean, because I've had bad experiences clear coating stuff in the past, or when I was first learning, and sometimes I would get like some crazy chemical reaction where the clear coat wouldn't grab, and it just made the whole thing look ugly. Another one of my favorite products to use is this stuff right here. You can find it at AutoZone or O'Reilly's. They're about for like $1.50. These things are great because it cleans out any grease that you might have on whatever you're painting. So this is perfect for the job. We're using Shopline Clear. This stuff is a 2-to-1 ratio, so you gotta really mix it. Really good stuff. All right, so there it is. That's how I spray clear on headlights. Honestly, not bad. Everything looks clean. Check that out. It actually came out super clean. And then the clear reflectors. Damn. Got the other one drying over there. So yeah, I'm gonna let these dry for 24 hours. So pretty much tomorrow they'll be ready to pick up and even actually install the car if the person wants to. Cheetah.
I have to wear like my nicer clothes while working on my cars, but I always...
Man, I don't even use nice clothes anymore. Look, these shoes are my shoes that I wear everywhere, man. Look, from working, people think this is dirty, but it's just stained from freaking working on my cars.
That's why I got my other clothes. That's why I look like I'm homeless right now.
Freaking homeless, you know. All right, man. Well, here are your headlights. What do you think?
No, they look so much better. If you guys saw them, pretty sure you guys saw them before. This one was super bad. It was like super hazy.
Yeah.
I got them from the same guy. I'm not sure why one of them was going bad and the other one was still good. But man, they look so much. They look brand spanking new now. Can't wait to slap them on. I'm gonna slap them on in an hour. So
Today,
as soon as I get home,
hell yeah.
I'm gonna slap them on. If you guys want to look at the little install video, I'll have it up on my channel probably by this weekend. So
Right on. Well, that's it, guys. You guys saw the process. It did take a while to do this, but honestly, just with patience, everybody can do it. And then with the painting, there is a clear coat called 2K Clear. It goes for about 25-30 bucks. That thing is some good stuff. So if you guys end up buying one of those, you have 24 hours to use the whole can, and you can get exactly the same results as I got here. Just a little bit of experience that you need to spray. Don't just go full at it. But the clear reflectors look so much better than the amber ones. Yep. Especially since his car is all black. He's going with like a black white look. Super clean. So once he has them on and I cruise over with him or we do something together, I'll show you guys how his car looks. But that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you guys need any type of work like this, or you guys got like a body kit, a bumper, rear bumper, or carbon fiber pieces that you guys need re-cleared, hit me up on my Instagram. I'll give you a price, and if you guys are located somewhere near me, we can make it happen. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.